How to find storefront search logic settings on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First open your browser, and now once you're here click settings, and then click and then scroll down and click search, and here we'll find search settings. Now all you need to do, just click on this one here, storefront search logic, and that's it. Select something you want here, and then just click save. It will be saved, and now you can change it whenever you want. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.